Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So we do got new photos of the Jordan 3 Black Cat. As you know, the Black Cat 4s are reselling for at least $900 to $1,000. These won't be coming out until March 2025. So this is early leak photos. This is an overall clean all black shoe, black on black, with look like either grayish charcoal bits around the elephant print. But as we get more details of these, we'll let y'all know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay informed and keep you informed with all the news that you want to use. Moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from the 12th of May through the 18th of May. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on May 15th, we did have those Jordan 1s mid NYC. These was grade school, aka Bebe's. Price point for those were $125. And according to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again, all sizes are still available. What's next, my
Yes, sir.
brother?
So on May 17th, we did have a Jordan 9. This was a golf shoe, aka called the Barons. They come out from men's price point of $230. And again, like all the golf shoes, all sizes are still available on Nike.com. So if you like to rock nines and you play golf, then these are the shoes for you. I do think it was a clean pair, and we did like the symbolism that we had that Michael Jordan played with the Barons. So this was paying homage to MJ himself. So it was a nice touch. Let us know down in the comment, Sneakerheads, were you able to cop a pair? So moving on to the last shoe, on May 18th, we did have the Jordan 11 Low Space Jams for a price point of $190. This released in men's pair and GS. It kind of hovered around, like they didn't sell out immediately. Then all of a sudden, they just all flew off the shelf. As you know, I try to help my father-in-law get a pair of 14s and just to let you know how tough it was. So I had copped a pair on Snipes, and then next thing you know, they were canceled. And then next thing you know, I was panicking because like there was no 14s available, like all the bigger sizes flying off the shelf like that. And then luckily, I was able to hit on a restock, another size 14, and he already has those shipped to him and in hand. As for me, I went ahead and copped me a pair right here, these size 10. We'll be unboxing those at a later time where we can get a full detailed review of those. So stay tuned for that. But if you're looking for some GS sizes, we're still available on Nike.com, 3.5 to 5Y are still available. If you need these sneakerheads, let me know down in the comments. Sneakerheads were able to cop a pair of Space Jams. Again, I thought these were going to sit, but then next thing you know, they just flew off the shelf. I'm not sure if they were available in your area still. Let us know. Are they still sitting on shelves or what?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.